Can't find your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter in Device Manager. This can happen because of a missing driver, disabled hardware, or a connection issue. In this guide, I'll show you several ways to find and restore a missing network adapter. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and look for your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter. If the category is missing or your adapter isn't listed, continue with the next steps. Open the View menu and select Show Hidden Devices. Check Network Adapters again. A previously installed adapter may now appear with a faded icon. Next, select Action from the top menu and choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will search for connected hardware and refresh the Device Manager list. Look under Other Devices for an unknown device or network controller with a yellow warning icon. This can indicate that Windows detects the network hardware but doesn't have the correct driver installed. Right-click the unknown network device and choose Update Driver. Try Search automatically for drivers first. If Windows can't find one, download the correct network driver from your computer manufacturer's official support website. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Select Check for Updates, then check Optional Updates for available driver updates. Install anything relevant and restart your PC. If you're using an external USB network adapter, unplug it and connect it to another USB port. For a built-in adapter, make sure it's enabled in your system firmware if your computer provides that option. If the adapter still doesn't appear, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings. You can use Network Reset as a last software troubleshooting step. Keep in mind, this removes and reinstalls network adapters and resets network settings. And that's how to fix a missing network adapter in Device Manager. Start by showing hidden devices and scanning for hardware changes, then check for missing drivers and Windows updates. So, work through the steps one at a time to find the cause.